Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. Welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. Let's ride. Me and Chris riding bitch on his own bike. Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. How y'all doing? It is a beautiful Saturday in February here in Miami, Florida during Black History Month. Ooh. It's been some good times all month long. I've been booked and busy, so I haven't been able to edit a video and put it out there. But today, me and my crew riding to Fort Myers for Black Mystics Day Party. So right now, still kind of busting some errands, making some moves. I'm taking it easy right now because I got the owner. Who told you to come on? Stop. Fucking Chris messing with shit. Chris is on the back of his own bike. I'm carrying Chris like King Tut. He's in my I ain't talking to you, Chris. I'm talking to my helmet. Anyways, it's hard to kind of get him, so I'm gonna make him record himself with my GoPro, my other GoPro. Let's ride, y'all. I ain't got no thoughts. I ain't got nothing to say. Didn't even stop.
Whoa. Huh?
He didn't even fucking stop.
No.
How did it feel to ride your back seat of your bike?
Fucking nervous.
Nervous?
Uh-oh. They gave me a car. When they gave me the bike, they didn't give me a
Hey, look at him. How are you? Doing good? Okay, there she go. Hey, hot shot. Oh, I see the changes you've been making. Oh, they checking it out? Okay, Chris. Very good. What's wrong now? It's been rattling the pipe.
right here. Come over here. Right there. On that bracket right there.
So what they doing to it? All right, me and Chris about to ride to Alligator Alley. Chris.
What's up, yo? I'm back to business. For the holidays.
Right, just for the, what holiday it is?
Mine. Riding on the back of my bike, and I feel like I'm nervous as hell because Kira's riding. But we get to Alligator Alley,
very
so I
safe.
can drive myself. Then we heading out to Fort Myers. Party I ass. Shit ain't got no seatbelt on or nothing. What the fuck? Got hot shot in the ride. We chillin'.
y'all, I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you're enjoying the ride, enjoying the views. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate it. This is Chris, my biker friend. This is his bike, so you may see me on it all the time, but I only ride it because Chris is never home and somebody got to ride the bike.
Yeah. Got that rider high shot behind us. I haven't been on here for a while. Boy, this ride wasn't that bad. Actually, it's my first time riding on the back of a horse. I thought it was actually a horse, but it's actually the first time riding on the back of my bike. Now we at Harley. We're ready to pick up Kira's bike, and then we're here to take a ride, baby. Check out the bikes. Windshield higher than that's the same bike. That's better though. What pedal? Riders.
Riding around, waiting on y'all. Right.
HondaHarleyGurl backing up a masterpiece.
Hey, we made it. Kickstand down.
Kickstand down.
All right. Thank you, Chris. Thank you. HondaHarleyGurl, hot shot.
Oh, passing the torch back to me. I'm so glad I got my shit back. I thought she was gonna kill me.
It was in good hands, that's for sure.